Now, Hajar shows us what it means to have husn al-dhan, or giving benefit of the doubt, because for her to even ask the question of, did Allah command you to do this, shows that she is thinking, there must be a good reason for Ibrahim alayhi salam to do what he is doing. And secondly, Hajar shows a great optimism in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala when she comes to the conclusion that Allah would not abandon her. So now her son is crying since the food is finished, the water is gone, and now she is not able to produce any milk for her son. She had to figure something out. SubhanAllah, this is the case for many single parents today, and especially for single mothers who have to worry about bringing in an income, parenting, managing the house, and so on. That's the situation Hajar found herself in, that she not only has to worry about herself, but Ismail alayhi salam too. So she took it upon herself to look for resources. After running back and forth from Safa to Marwa, calling out to any possible travelers, looking for anything in the distance, she looks up and sees Jibreel alayhi salam. He digs into the ground with his foot, and from there the water of Zamzam springs forth. Allah has honored the great sacrifice, struggle, and tawakkul of Hajar alayhi salam. And for centuries, millions of men, women, and children have followed in her very footsteps as they retrace them in sa'i during Umrah and Hajj.